Hello Saxo friends, Kadrian here, the Sax Habit Coach, bringing you the best practice tips, tools, and ideas to help you as a beginner saxophone player develop the practice habits and routines to master your saxophone faster. Now, my purpose is to serve, motivate, and to inspire you. So if it's your first time here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So we've been looking on our major triads, and if you haven't checked those before, you can check the link in the description below or in the cards above for those. Today we are looking at our E major triad, and our E major triad consists of our E, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, okay, E, then we're going up to our G sharp, okay, and then we're going to our B with the first index finger. So E, G sharp, B. Then first inversion, G sharp, okay? So G sharp, 1, 2, 3, pinky finger over here, G sharp, B, and then we are going up to our E with the octave key. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, and then with the octave key at the back. And then we're going to go to our second inversion, which is going to be B, your E with the octave key, and G sharp with the octave key. And then we start the process again with E, G sharp, B, then we're going up G sharp, B, and then we're going to our high E. Now you can play high E two ways. You can play it with the front E, which I prefer because it's faster. So it's this finger here covering this key right here, okay? And then you're holding down your third finger key right there and this key, okay? So these are the keys to play your high E. 1, 2, 3, okay, with the octave key. The other way to play high E is to play the side palm key, this one right here, that's 2, and then this first side key right here going from the top, and that is your high E with your octave key. And we're going to reverse the process going back all the way down to our low E and then down to our low B and end on our E, then we go full range. Now, once you've learned how to play the E major triad on the horn going full range, then you can take it through the keys. Take the triads through the keys. So C major, C sharp major, D major, E flat major, E major, F sharp major, G major, A flat major, A major, B flat major, and B major. So you go through the entire 12 keys on your saxophone so that you can build fluidity, so that when you're ready to play your chords and other patterns, it's readily accessible because you would have programmed playing these notes underneath your fingers. All right, saxo friends, I trust you found this video helpful, and as always, push play until something happens. Peace.